everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just got this Jeffree Star. I haven't opened it fully, just took off the tape that was stuck together to the box, and this is what it looks like. I got the buy one get one free BOGO deal, so that is what I got, and trust me, it's expensive just for the buy one get one free. And the shipping was like $20 expensive. I know. This is my first time buying from Jeffree Star, so I got this super cute packaging. So there's one palette. Can you guess what this palette is? And the second one says Blood Money, and then Jawbreaker. Oh, it says it right here. Jawbreaker and Blood Money. I want to get the Blue Blood and maybe the Bloodlust palette. I can't even think of it. And then this is what it comes with. I guess Jeffree Star has like a new like lip collection. That's cute. I can never wear these, but that's cute. He looks like a Barbie. And it just shows like what I bought. So yeah, $75.33 is the amount that I paid for this box. If next year he has like another BOGO deal, I might get that, but these palettes are too pricey. Okay. I've been wanting the Jawbreaker for a long time. I'm opening it up. Since it came out, I wanted this palette, so I'm excited to finally get it. Super cute. Oh my gosh. I'm excited. This is the packaging. Kind of matches my nails, maybe. I don't know. And I don't know how many pans are in here. Oh my gosh. I'm excited. So that's what it looks like. And that's what the palette looks like. Oh my gosh. That's gorgeous. I'm so excited. I love mint colors, so I'm glad I got a mint color. Like all these pastel colors are so beautiful. In great condition. I'm glad. And then palette number 2. I didn't want to I was, now that people ordered it, I was thinking maybe I should have done another palette. Buy one, get one free. I was like, it's just so much money. That would have been like $200. One something. Oh, wow. This is what it looks like. I love green, so I had to get this palette, all green palette. All right, the packaging is super awesome. And this palette, oh my gosh. So if he does a deal like this again, definitely next year I'll get 2 more palettes. Oh wow, that is pretty awesome. Has like a protector thing on here. Oh, I'll get that later. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Ooh, I like this like lime green right there. That is beautiful. That's what it looks like up close. Very nice. Very nice. Well, that is what I got. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.